Welcome to the channel SANFIT. So in this video, we are gonna understand what creatine, BCAA and pre-workout are. So let's start with creatine. Creatine is a compound our body naturally makes which is used to supply energy to our muscles. It is produced in the liver, pancreas and kidneys and then transported to the body's muscles through the bloodstream. This high-powered metabolite is used to regenerate the muscle's ultimate energy source, ATP. Creatine occurs naturally in many foods, especially herring, salmon, tuna and beef, and it's 100% natural. Creatine improves performance in high-intensity exercise, energy levels and speeding up the recovery rate. So how to use it correctly? You can take creatine with water or non-acidic juice. Especially grape juice, it works well with it. So it has to be your first choice. Take a daily intake of 5 to 15 grams to keep your muscles saturated. The best results have been noticed when creatine is combined with a high carbohydrate base and taken just after a workout. BCAA. It means branched-chain amino acids. It includes 3 of 8 essential amino acids. BCAA is useful for muscle recovery following exercises and decreasing muscle soreness. BCAA is useful during exercise. It provides protein to muscles at the same time of muscle breakdown. That helps to get faster results. Pre-workout. Pre-workout contains ingredients that are intended to give a sudden boost of energy. It contains caffeine, creatine, amino acids and beta-alanine. It can be beneficial for performing strenuous exercises. So, let's look at some benefits of pre-workout. First, it improves work capacity by giving intense amounts of energy ATP. Second, boosts adrenaline which helps break down fat cells faster. Third, enhances physical performance. Fourth, boosts power allowing a longer and harder workout. Fifth, improves focus, mood and attention. So, these are real truths of creatine, BCAA and pre-workout. Hope this will improve your knowledge. For more knowledgeable videos hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.